Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming mic access and downloading Voice. AI plus Discord. Once done, sign into Voice. AI and grant microphone permission so the app can route audio. Make sure Discord is open. Set Voice. AI as the input device in your OS and Discord's voice and video settings. Why this matters. Routing ensures transformed audio reaches Discord without double input. Also enable low latency mode if available, because that reduces delay for natural conversation. Next, choose your voice model and fine-tune parameters like pitch and timbre for clarity. Then set Voice. Eyes virtual driver or a virtual audio cable as the system output. This lets Discord receive the processed audio. Once configured, join a private voice channel and speak while monitoring levels. Adjust gain so there's no clipping. Make sure push-to-talk or voice activity is chosen in Discord depending on your environment, because that prevents background noise from being transmitted. To finish, set Discord's input to the voice. AI virtual device and leave the app running in the background. Test with a friend and confirm they hear the altered voice. If not, reopen Voice. AI and reselect the correct model. If you encounter echo, mute the original microphone in system settings or disable monitoring in Voice. AI echo often comes from two active inputs. One key tip: restart both Voice, AI, and Discord after changes. A quick restart resolves most routing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.